na obligasyon natin ito. Hindi bilang Cebuano, hindi bilang Bisaya, or hindi bilang taga Mindanao, kundi bilang Pilipino. Hindi ito lamang laban ni Pangulong Marcos, hindi ito lamang laban ng Philippine Coast Guard at ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Ang ating pong pagtindig at pakikipaglaban sa West Philippine Sea ay laban po nating lahat bilang Pilipino.
But yung sinabi nila, issue ba ito, sir, na between pro-China at anti-China?
Ang alin, sir? Yung politiko?
Yung West Philippine Sea issue.
Para sa akin, sir, it's not about anti-China or pro-China. It's about choosing to stand up for what is right and choosing to stand up for what is ours.
So yung mga panawagan na boycott the products of China, parang out of tone, Commodore, no?
Ang sinasabi po ng ating pong Pangulo, kasama ng Department of Foreign Affairs, we have multifaceted engagement with the People's Republic of China. The West Philippine Sea is just one of those. No? We have people-to-people, we have cultural exchanges, we have economic trade and investment. Marami tayong usapin pagdating sa China. So, kung huhusgahan natin ang China dahil lamang sa West Philippine Sea, I think that's not appropriate. No? We should see it as the only reason na may mali sila, but the entirety of our engagement should not be dependent only because of our issues.
Okay. Sir, maraming salamat, Commodore.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Magigala.